Namaste, I'm Yogrishi Visuketu and this is Abhi Jyoti from Australia. And today I like to introduce you very nice simple pranayam and that called Bhramari honeybee sound. And this is very traditional pranayam practice and it is just so good for releasing stress, anxiety, moving anger out. It's just so simple, very beneficial for even for insomnia. So all the time we hear the two type of the sound. One is create contraction and one is create expansion. Which sound is create contraction in you, and if your body is not able to release, that become the memory of your cellular level and you all the time is stress. All the time is stress. But this sound is really good to reactivate your cellular level and release that stress from there. And that is called Bhramari Pranayama and is very traditional. It's just simply you inhale and make a honeybee sound like that. Okay, let's start. Hands on your knees, eyes closed. You inhale deeply and make honeybee sound. Again, happier. Inhale. Beautiful. You can continue this. You do about 15 to 21 times this Bhramari sound and it take about 15 to 20 minutes and it's just so good for you. Even this sound practice you can do in your office. You is stressed, you just sit down on the chair, you can do this one. Even in yoga practice, you can do in the child pose, in Savasana, and definitely you sitting for meditation. Before meditation, you do this Bhramari, so it helps to improve your concentration. Thank you. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayama, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.